Today, the first news came from the Supreme Court once again, like yesterday. In the Supreme Court, there is a non-profitable and NGO that's name is the ADR. ADR means Association of the Democratic Reform has filed a petition in the Supreme Court against the appointment of the election commissioner Gyanesh Kumar and Sukhvinder Singh Sandhu. And it was very important for the central government to appoint these two election commissioner, poll commissioner in the election polls, because only one member is left. Only Rajiv Kumar was left. So three member has been the part of the election commission of the India. So it was the challenge in the Supreme Court today. And then after Supreme Court says that it is not to scrap that, to stay the, to do anything wrong about the appointment of these poll commissioners, but it will be only to create a hurdle, create the row between the central and the Supreme Court and other organizations. So Supreme Court refused to entertain this petition of the ADR. And the second news came from the Sidhu Moosewala mother Charan Kaur. Sidhu Moosewala was murdered in 2022, as we know, and then after he was the only one child of his parents. Then after Charan Kaur, who is now the 58 years old, she has done the IVF, and then after through the IVF, she is born a child recently, and then after central government took the Punjab government to take the answer of their inquiry why Charan Kaur gives the birth at the age 58, because there is a rule whoever do the IVF, and that's age is the from 21 years to 50 years females only to conceive through the IVF. And Charan Kaur age at this time, it was the 57 when she was at that time was pregnant, and now she delivered a child. Then after it is now 58. Then after central government talk about the Punjab government about this issue, and after that the Pappu Yadav, who is the political leader in the Bihar, his political party Jan Adhikar party, that was merged into the Congress today in Bihar. And then after the Congress chief in Bihar, Akhilesh Singh, fumes, and then after it was done by the central leadership of the Congress, but Akhilesh Singh did not want at this time to merge the Pappu Yadav political party, Jan Adhikar party, into the Congress. And then after the seat sharing formula was done between Jadayu, BJP and Lok Janshakti Party and Rashtriya Lok Manch in Bihar. Today, the seat sharing has been done. As per the 39 Lok Sabha seats of the Bihar, 17 seats would go with the BJP for the contesting this 2024 Lok Sabha election, and 16 seats will go with the Janata Dal United, that is the party of the Nitish Kumar, and 5 seats that has gone with the Chirag Paswan Lok Janshakti Party. Lok Janshakti Party at this time, it has been divided into two parts. The first part, that is the son of the Ram Vilas Paswan, Chirag Paswan, and second is the Ram Vilas Paswan younger brother, Pasupati Paras. And then after BJP abandoned the Pasupati Paras, and they have accepted the Chirag Paswan. Pasupati Paras was the cabinet minister in the Modi government, but today he quits the designate of the cabinet minister from the central government. And then after it was done here, and 5 seats go with the Lok Janshakti Party for the Chirag Paswan, and only 1 seat went for the Rashtriya Lok Manch, that is the leader is the Upendra Kushwaha. Although Upendra Kushwaha expected that he will get the 2 seats, 2 Lok Sabha seats, but he gets only 1. And after that, there is the interesting facts came from the Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar. S. Jaishankar said that many people think that the foreign policy of the India that was much better at the time of the Nehru era. Nehru era means 1947 to 1964, when Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of the India. He was alive that time. But as per my point of view, Pandit Nehru at that time accepted the choose their own separate path. He started the NAM non-alignment movement. Then after the Second World War, the world has been divided into 2 parts. The first part is the capitalist, and second part is the communism. Capitalism and communism. Whoever have trust in the capitalism, they go for the US, France and Britain. And then after who have their faith for the communism, they went for the Soviet Union, at present in Russia. And then after it was the going on. So nowadays, India have done the presidency of the G20. India has abrogating and scrapped the Article 317-35 from Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir, that was the international issues made by the Nehru ji. And then after it was also done by the central government of